Hello everyone. So I just got done changing the pillars on my pillar trims on my 2021 Silverado to gloss black. They were I'll show you guys a clip of before. It took me about 40 minutes total to change both sides. It's fairly easy, just a couple of tools needed. There are several videos out there that show you step by step how to change it out. I'll give you guys some tips and basically show you guys how I did it. But if you want a more detailed step by step, there's other videos. Go ahead and Google it or look for it in YouTube and you'll find them. This is the end result basically of swapping out my pillar trims to gloss black. These only come, from what I know, these only come stock with these on the LTZ and the high country, the ones with that have the chrome trims here. And then a lot of GMC have them. I'm not sure if all of them, but most of the GMCs that I've seen, they have the same pillars. So I'll go ahead and leave the part numbers on the description below. If you guys want to go ahead and order them, you can order them. Look eBay. I would check eBay first, but if not, just check with your local dealer and they'll be able to get them for you. Basically, to remove them is pretty simple. You just have to remove from the front. You just remove the trim here. And there's basically some push trim pieces here. I just remove that, and then that exposes the screw. There's 2 screws on each side, on each door, I would say. One here, and then there's another screw down here. So just go ahead and remove it with a T15. Remove both of them for the front, and that will basically allow you to remove them. One other suggestion is to go ahead and lower your windows. Both go ahead and lower all of your windows, so you can basically you're gonna pull from the side of the window. So let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna lower down my window all the way down, and then basically you're gonna once you remove both of the screws, just go ahead and pull here with both hands. Pull really hard. It's gonna break. What it's gonna do is gonna break 2 clips that's right here in the middle. But you wanna pull with both of your hands. Pull hard. It's not gonna break anything else. Break anything else besides the clips, and the clips are already included with the new trims. So basically, just pull really hard. Once you hear 2 clicks, 1, 2 is gonna just basically release, and then you're able to swap the new one in. For the back, there's the same method. There's 2 screws also. You want to first remove the bottom one here, the bottom one, to remove this piece of molding here. You're gonna remove it out, and then right under here, wish I would have showed you guys, but right under here there's another screw just similar to the front. Just take that one off, T15, take this one off, and then once those 2 are off, you're gonna pull basically from the side of the window, inside the window too. Basically, you can either stand on your side step, or like now I have it's a curve here, so I'm able to just stand here and pull it from the inside. Pull it out. Pull it with both hands. Pull it outwards to hear a click. You hear 2 clicks. You're gonna basically have them in your hand and switch them out. And I'll show you guys from this is the old one. See, this is the difference between both the gloss black and the regular stock original matte black. This is how they should have came to begin with. And then these are the, well, this one doesn't have the clips anymore, but the clips would be here in the middle. And then you gotta pull that, pull it, and then it's gonna break. Oh, one more thing that I forgot. So after you remove the panels, the clips are gonna be, most likely are gonna be stuck in there, broken. So just go ahead and use some pliers. Just jank them out. Don't worry too much about scratching the paint because it's never gonna be exposed. You'll never, trust me, you'll never be driving without a panel. In the case you wanna paint, color match them, you're gonna go paint them and put them on. It looks very funny with them off. So don't worry if they break. I'm sorry, don't worry if you scratch the paint from the inside. Or be really careful, put some tape on it. It's your choice. I just want to show you one more time the end result. And it ties in very good with my black wheels, my black inserts in the back, and my front end, side mirrors. This is how it should have came from factory. So if you just basically this video I made it just to show you guys the pillars. But if you care about more details on my truck, you like my look, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and make other videos in regards to other modifications that I've done or will do to my truck. Also, if you guys have any questions about removing these and installing the new ones or ordering any of these parts, just go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll go ahead and address them. All right, thank you guys, have a good day.